Here I am, know it's been a while.
Hey
I
babes.
was in denial about my life. Here I stand, I know I walked
Hi
away.
guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. Well, in today's video I'm gonna be doing glam makeup. Well, it's been like really few weeks I haven't done makeup. I haven't done like makeup videos. Well, I was doing just reviews, I was doing vlogs, and I really missed this. I really want to do today like night out makeup, and I'm gonna be trying new products that I'm really obsessed. Okay, this is the new products that I kindly got from FOCALLURE Beauty. These are the new eye palettes, and I don't know if you have seen my stories, but I was really obsessed with the packaging and like with the shades. Look at this, these are so pretty. So this is the eye palette, and I'm like, these colors are really amazing and I really can't wait to try. So I also got the eyeliner that I'm gonna be using today, of course, and I got the brow pencil. Well, I'm gonna try to do my brows with the pencil, but as you know, I'm not like friendly with the brows. I don't usually do my brows. And then I got, well guys, can you guess what is this? Okay, this, well, it really looks like a peel, medication peel, but this packaging is so cute, and I have never seen the lipstick like this small and so cute, and the colors are so pretty, and I love the size of it because you can like take everywhere. It like easily fits in your any pocket, even within the smallest pocket. So this is really cute. So let's start doing my makeup, and the first thing what I'm gonna be doing is I have to moisturize my face. Oh, and I need to tie up my hair. Okay, so my new beauties. So I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna start moisturizing. I'm gonna be first using the Sky Skin moisturizer. So guys, now I'm gonna try this Blend primer. I got this from Blend recently, and I really want to know how it will work on my face. It says here for Savor Matte Makeup Primer. So let's try. I'm gonna apply this primer with my fingers. God, well, this feeling is so good. It's so smooth and like glides on the skin immediately. It like melts on your skin. Well, I really love this feeling. I'm gonna use my Love Forever Love, this Lingerie de Pure BB cream from Ellene, and I'm gonna be mixing these two shades. Really like this combination, really looks good on me. I'm gonna do my concealer now. Well, it's still enough, I think. I'm gonna do my contour with this Smashbox stick. I don't really love to like apply too much. I just love like small dots because it's like easier to blend. And now I'm gonna blend with this e.l.f. Cosmetic brush. The brush is like, I think it's the best with contouring. So guys, now I'm gonna bake, and I'm going to use this Dermablend loose setting powder. This also I got from Dermablend. They kindly sent it to me, and I really want to try this setting powder. And now let's try the setting powder. Now let's wipe away all the powder. So I'm gonna do my eyes with this new palette from FOCALLURE Beauty. It's called Endless Possibilities, and guys, believe me, this is really endless. There are really endless possibilities because there is such a variation of colors and they're so gorgeous. I really can't wait to try them. So the first shade that I'm gonna be trying is this Hottie. Ooh, look at this pigment. Oh my goodness. I just applied this in my crease. Actually, I really wanted to, okay, like in the crease and like in the almost the whole area of my eyelid. Pink is so pretty, and I'm really impressed with the pigment. This shade is so pretty. I could like leave this all over my eyelid. I'm gonna take this shade Plum Baby, and I'm gonna apply it in my outer corner. Oh my god, I'm really impressed with this pigment. I'm just gonna blend it like through the crease for more definition. I'm gonna be trying is this Barbie. It's a pinky like shimmery shade, and I'm gonna apply it here. A very pretty baby pink shimmer shade. Well guys, in this palette are really endless possibilities. I really want to try all the shades, but it's really impossible. So I'm gonna be trying this Pixie Dust, this light shade, and I'm gonna be applying this under my brows to like highlight on this, to like highlight this part. I'm gonna be trying the shade Citrus, this yellow shade, and I'm gonna be applying it in my inner corner. Okay, like this. I kind of really like this with this shade transition. Guys, I really want to try the Sunrise palette because this is also so gorgeous. And which shade should I try? I'm gonna be using this glittery steampunk, this shade right here. So I'm gonna apply directly on my eyelid. Look at this shimmers. Well, I think I'm just really doing like the festive makeup. I can say that I'm really impressed with this palette. I'm really already in love because they're blending so easily. The shades are like everything. There's so many beautiful colors, and like this palette really blew my mind because look at them. I really want to try this blue shades, like this aqua blue colors and like all the shades, but it's really impossible to do it everything in just one video. But I'm gonna be playing with this palettes really often in my upcoming YouTube videos, so you should definitely check them out. So guys, now I'm gonna try the eyeliner. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the swatches. It's like this. Okay, I'm gonna do the swatches on my hand. Okay, so let's do this. Well, as you know, I'm not good in eyeliner things, so I'm just gonna be doing a really small wing. Okay. So finally I could manage to do the wing, because as you know, I'm not good in eyeliner things. Well, what can I say about the eyeliner? It's a really good eyeliner by far. I'm really satisfied with this eyeliner. Well guys, I'm really impressed with the product, and if you check their website, the price is really affordable. It's really cheap. I don't know, I'm really shocked with all the products and the quality. Now I'm gonna try the brow pencil. This is the pencil, how it looks. Okay, this is the brush, and here is the pencil. Well, as you know, I don't usually do my brows in the makeup videos. All I do just brush them, so I'm just gonna well, I really don't know which part I have to fill the pencil, so I'm just gonna swatch it here. Okay, so this is the how the brow pencil looks, and let me like draw some lines here. So I'm just gonna brush. Well, I just love my brows when they are natural. So this brush, I really like. I'm gonna use this like often because I really think that the natural look of my brows are better than the like darker and like painted brows. So I don't know guys, maybe I'm wrong, but I really love the brows that I have right now. Finally, I'm gonna be trying this cuties right here. So I'm gonna apply one on my lips, and I'm gonna do swatches on my hand of the others. So which shade should I try? So these are the lipstick swatches, and all lipsticks were in this box, so I'm gonna link like everything in the description box, what I used, and I'm gonna leave the link of this lipstick kit too. There's 5 shades. Well, I don't really remember the shade names because, you know, they were in the small packages. I don't know, maybe I just throw them, and so I really don't know the names of each shade, but I'm gonna leave the link of this whole kit, capsule lipstick kit. They're really cute, and I love the size of this lipstick because it's so affordable and so comfy to like take everywhere. You can even put it in the smallest pocket and you can like take it everywhere. Well, this lipstick is so creamy and it's not dry. It has this matte velvet finish and it like glides on your lips so easily. Well, this shade is really pretty. So guys, finally I finished my look with my favorite Marc Jacobs bronzer, and of course with my highlighter from Kylie Cosmetics. So guys, this is my final look using FOCALLURE Beauty products, and I can say that I'm really impressed. The quality is so good, and especially when this price is so cheap, you should definitely check their website. They have such an affordable prices for all the products. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box, so you should definitely check it out. And also I wanted to say a huge thank you to FOCALLURE Beauty for sending these goodies, these beauties to me. I'm really impressed and satisfied, and I have so many other shades to try and I really can't wait to play with them. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked my festive look using FOCALLURE Beauty products, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!